What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Hustle and Craft YouTube channel, and today we're going to show you how to start a t-shirt brand for under $60. First, we're going to start by buying 10 long sleeve Yivin t-shirts for 90 cents each. We're going to leave a link in the comments for how you can access this supplier. Next, place shirts on heat press. And for the transfers, we're going to purchase 10 DTF transfers from FM Expressions for only $4.75 each. Then you're going to place your transfers on the t-shirts and press for 10 seconds on 300 degrees. Peel hot. Next, you're going to cover it with a Teflon sheet and press for another 10 seconds to ensure that the design is matted into the garments. Next, you're going to go over to Shopify and sign up for their $1 a month trial. Then list your products on your new website. And for marketing, you're going to create IG Reels and Facebook Reels. And for instant sales, you're going to go over to Facebook Marketplace and create free ads. And that's how to start a t-shirt brand for under $60. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and follow us for more free game.